Hello, my name is Ethan Korb, and this is my experiment on how computers affect memory. This experiment is meant to determine whether or not computers in general are affecting a human's ability to recall simple information, for example, calendar dates. I hypothesize that if somebody knows that information will be saved into a computer, then they will have difficulty in recalling these facts on their own without the help of a computer. Some variables of this experiment included the amount of time participants have to remember the information, the amount of time between remembering the facts and taking the test, and the amount of time to take the test. These were each controlled by different variables that I set up during the test. My procedure seems quite complex, however it's very simple. I gave the participants a list of facts and asked them to remember these facts for 24 hours before I came back and gave them a multiple choice test quizzing them on these facts. My data table consisted of two groups, people not using computers and people using computers, which had 35 participants in each group. All of the test percentages from both groups were averaged out into two separate percentages, one for using computers and one for not using computers. Then I also made the standard deviation using the test percentages. Graph 1 compared the average percentages of both groups using and not using computers. Graph 2 is very similar to Graph 1, however it compares the standard deviations of the averages of percentages. In the end, my hypothesis was wrong, and the two groups' percentages were very similar. However, these two groups need to be tested in different ways to determine whether or not there is a true correlation between the two groups and the use of computers that is affecting our memory today.